Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see 10th July important current affairs topic wise. First topic is national news. PM Setu approved for nationwide ITA modernization. See, the government approved 60,000 crore PM Setu scheme to modernize 1000 ITIs over 5 years and build an industry ready skilled workforce. Remember, PM Setu estimated cost is 60,000 to 1000 ITIs over 5 years. Next news is 4 state signs historic Narmada payment agreement. Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Next is the Natural History Museum at Mizoram University was notified as India's 21st designated repository to strengthen biodiversity conservation and scientific research. Remember, 21st designated repository at Mizoram. Next, Center expand NPS investment choice for autonomous body employees. See here, Ministry of Finance. See, NPS comes under Ministry of Finance. Introduced 2 additional NPS life cycles funds offering central autonomous body employees greater flexibility in retirement planning. Next, Kamarajar Port achieves 18-meter operational draft. See, Tamil Nadu's Kamarajar Port becomes India's second port with an 18-meter operational draft, enabling fully loaded capsize vessel to dock. Remember, Kamarajar Port at Tamil Nadu. Next, India unveils jute apparel for Commonwealth Game 2026. See here, important to Commonwealth Game 2026 venue is Glasgow. This is very important too. Next, Tribex digital platform launched for tribal heritage. See, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs launched Tribex. The question will be which ministry launched Tribex? That is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Next, important one. IIM Bangalore to establish first overseas campus in Indonesia. See, IIM Bangalore announced its first international campus in Indonesia to offer executive education and future management degree program. See, our next topic is state news. Tripura makes Vande Mataram and national anthem mandatory in schools. Important to Tripura state. Next, UP Mahila Samarthya Yojana strengthen women internship. See, Uttar Pradesh expanded the Mahila Samarthya Yojana to provide free skill training with the rupees of 15,000 devolving fund support and marketing linkage to women. Remember, Mahila Samarthya Yojana related to Uttar Pradesh. Next, international. India and Indonesia signed 14th strategic agreement. India and Indonesia. See, India and Indonesia signed 14 agreements covering defense, maritime security, trade, technology, education, space, critical minerals while strengthening the Indo-Pacific cooperation. Next is business. See, India proposes new index of service production. See, this is the base year 2024-25 as a base year to provide monthly measurement of India's formal service sector. Next, defense. See, Indonesia to procure India's BrahMos and Astra missile. See, Indonesia decided to acquire India's BrahMos crucial missile and Astra missiles. Next, Sports. FIFA World Cup quarter-final lineup confirmed. Plays France, Morocco, Spain, Belgium, Norway, England, Argentina and Switzerland. Next, science and tech. DeepSeek develops indigenous AI interference chip. See, this is important too. Chinese AI startup DeepSeek. It is Chinese AI startup is developing a custom AI inference chip to strengthen Chinese domestic semiconductor ecosystem. Next, FDA approves world first protect cancer drug. See, the United States FDA approved Vempano, the first PROTAC based medicine for advanced ESR1 mutated breast cancer. Last topic is obituaries. See, Padma Shri Bharadwaj passes away at 76. See, Padma Shri awardee, also called as Bridgeman of India, Girish Bharadwaj passed away on July 7, 2026 after building over 140 low-cost suspension bridges across rural India. See, Shri Girish Bharadwaj, also called Bridgeman of India, recently passed away. Okay friends, these are the important current affairs. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.